Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am exploring some beautiful stylish and trendy crochet bag designs that are perfect for anyone who loves handmade fashion, from cute mini bags and elegant shoulder bag to spacious tote bag. Crochet handbags are a wonderful combination of creativity, beauty and practicality. These handmade crochet bag can be designed in different color, pattern, shapes, and style, pattern, shapes, and style, making them perfect for everyday use, shopping, parties, vacations, and special occasions. Whether you love simple and minimal designs or colorful and eye-catching pattern, you will find plenty of inspiration in these beautiful crochet bag ideas. So sit back, enjoy these stunning crochet designs, and get inspired to create your own beautiful handmade bag. If you love crochet, handmade craft, and creative fashion ideas, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and trendy designs. Take care of yourself. Bye.